Waste management service in Brookland, Arkansas. Keeping your home, business, or job site clean just got easier. At Sullivan's Dumpster Rental, we offer a dependable waste management service in Brookland, Arkansas, tailored to your needs, no matter the size of your project. Whether you're handling a renovation, a property cleanout, or a construction job, we're here to provide a hassle-free waste solution that keeps your project moving forward. Our dumpster rental service is reliable, flexible, and affordable. We take pride in offering on-time deliveries and prompt pickups so your schedule stays on track. With a range of dumpster sizes available, we make it easy to find the right fit for your cleanup job. Our team is dedicated to customer service and will guide you through the rental process from start to finish. You can count on straightforward pricing, no hidden fees or surprise charges. Our dumpsters are durable, easy to load, and ideal for residential and commercial use. Whatever your timeline, we're ready to match it with flexible rental periods and reliable service. We believe in making cleanups simple and stress-free, which is why so many in Brookland trust us with their waste management needs. Call 870-316-8896 today to schedule your dumpster delivery. Together, we'll take the hassle out of waste removal and make your project a success from start to finish.